Are you a dental professional looking to prepare for any of the Gulf licensing exams? Introducing the Gulfie Dentist Online Coaching. The Gulfie Dentist is an online platform specifically designed for a hassle-free preparation for dental prometric exams. As you might be already aware, Gulf dental exams are focused on clinical-based questions. And that is why we first focus on clearing the clinical concepts for you in the form of a series of recorded lecture classes where you will be understanding the usual case scenarios and the important topics that come for the exam. The lectures are crafted in such a way that even a working dentist or a newbie mother can listen to the lectures, even while multitasking, be it traveling to work or taking care of your child or even cooking. Once you have finished the lectures, you will be moving on to the practice MCQs. Now the practice MCQs, which are basically previous year's questions, arranged in a subject-wise manner, so that you can finish systematically. Now, not only are these questions available subject-wise, but they are also segregated topic-wise. You can simply go and look for a specific topic and click on it to find the questions that have been asked previously on that given topic. This makes your study much organized and accountable. Our website holds about 10,000 plus practice questions, which have beautifully detailed explanations, where you will find not only just the reason to the answer, but also a brief explanation of each of the other options, helping you understand why those options are not the answer for that particular question. This will pre-answer all your doubts, and also make you well prepared if the question were to be asked in a different way. All these explanations have the source of reference mentioned at the end of the answer. We also understand that you still may be having further doubts, or the need to discuss any of the questions. Which is why, we also have study groups for each subject, where you can come and simply copy-paste the question in doubt, and we will have a team answer it in 24 to 48 hours. And finally, once both the lectures and the practice questions are completed, you will be moving on to the 2 mock exams. The first one, we recommend you to take before you book your exam date. This will give you an understanding of whether you will pass the exam or not, by checking the score, if you have got that 60%. If yes, you can confidently go ahead and book your prometric exam date. And the second mock, you can try it once you have done your entire revision, maybe 5 to 7 days before your original prometric exam. And voila! You're good to go. Now, all of this study material will be available directly on the website, and all you will need is a decent internet connection. And that's it. You no longer need to carry hefty books around if you have Gulfie Online Prep at your fingertips. At Gulfie, you will have your own account through which you can access your study material on the website, anytime, anywhere, on any device. This entire preparation will take you about 2 months, for which we will be providing you with a study timetable. Now, if you are not sure that you can do it in 2 months' time, don't worry. We provide you with a total of 4 months access to make sure that you complete the entire syllabus before appearing for the exam. Having said that, it's not advisable to drag your preparation any more than 4 months at the max. But in case you will need an extension, we do provide that too. So if you are truly ready, we happily welcome you to join the Gulfie Dentist tribe. So the question is, are you ready?